home now. We're gonna bring it home so you can put it there. Or not. Okay.
She. Oh, do you know how to jump rope already? That's what she was gonna do.
That's the right idea.
Yeah, look at you. Oh! Nice. No, that is like a tablecloth? A napkin? Oh, or a runner. Okay.
Yeah.
Are there 4 runners or all kinds of things?
Just a runner and